Hi everybody, it's Zach again. Today I want to talk a little bit about a repair I had to do to my washing machine the other day in hopes that it might save you some time and some energy, and if you were thinking about calling a plumber, some money. So what happened was I went to do laundry 2 days ago, and I just happened to look down as I was loading up the machine and there was water all over the floor. So the first thing you think when that happens is maybe there was a busted hose or something on the washing machine or right here. But one thing that I've always done, I was taught a long time ago, was if you have these shutoff valves, you leave these shut off when you're not doing laundry. That way, if something happens, then to one of these hoses, then your basement isn't going to be flooded. So I knew those were off, so I knew that could be it. So the next thing I looked at was all the pipes and everything, because nothing was running, and the pipes looked good. But then I happened to notice that there was this little drip coming down the hose, coming onto the ground. And I finally figured out it was coming out of my cold water spigot. The valve that turns it off was leaking. So what I figured out I would need to do is tighten up this nut that has packing in it that keeps everything sealed in behind here. What happens is, over time, as we turn the water on and off, it basically will eventually turn this nut just enough, and over time I guess even more, that you will start to see water coming out, and eventually it would come all the way off. And I know that a lot of people get into that situation and then call for help. So here's the really simple way that you can fix that. Take your friend, the adjustable wrench, my Craftsman heavy duty 8-inch adjustable wrench, stick it on here, and then just turn it. Turn it to the right to be tight, but what you don't want to do is take it too far, or you won't be able to turn your valve here. So you want to take it just enough that it stops leaking, and make sure then that you can still turn this valve easily on and off, so that you don't have to worry about something happened to the hoses one time when maybe you don't want to. And while I was at it, I tightened this one up, and both of them are good to go. One other thing that I'll share with you that I do that helped me out really a lot in this one is I keep a sponge down here where the hose comes out. That way, if it does start running again, it catches that, and hopefully I'll notice it in time. This time it just so happened that it ran for about a day or something, and I didn't know. But sometimes that has saved me in the past, where it just drips down and the sponge catches it. So hopefully this helped you. If you ever have a little leak here, definitely try this first before you call for help. Another thing you can do is sometimes these knobs get loose. Mine just have a Phillips head screw, and you just take it and you tighten it up and you're good to go. But do simple things you can do for maintenance in your house if something happens, to avoid having to call a plumber. So hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get regular updates from me. Have a wonderful evening.